Hey, this is Aaron back with another video break. This time it's going to be a Target purchase of Hit from 2012. It includes 2 autographed cards, and so let's see what's in this. Comes with 20 packs plus 2 autographed cards. And how many per pack? 5 cards per pack. See how easy these packs are to open. Not easy. Wow, these are tough. These are the toughest ones I think I've tried to open. There we go. Okay, first one, Kirk Cousins, Brock Osweiler, let's see, Brandon Weeden, Steven Garcia, and Eric Page. So you've got Kendall Wright, DeVere Posey, Coriel Judy, John Kreiner, and Mike Wiley or Willie. And this box was $12, just to let you know. That's an interesting card. He's getting a haircut. Ronnie Hillman, Trent Richardson, Teron Poole, Eric Page, and Donta Hightower. Bernard Pierce, Justin Blackmon, Ladarius Green, another Donta Hightower, and Dwayne Allen. Chris Polk, Alshon Jeffrey, Kendall Wright, John Kreiner, and Dominique Davis. Ryan Tannehill, Marvin McNutt, Tim Fugger, Brian Quick, and Broderick Green. There's no easy way to open these packs, and I don't have much of a fingernail to do this. Boom Heron, Justin Blackmon, DeVere Posey, Jarius Wright, and Janoris Jenkins. Another Boom Heron card. Trent Richardson, Jonathan Massaquoi, Vontage Burfict, and Alex Tanney. Case Keenum, Brock Osweiler, Kirk Cousins again, Tyler Hansen, and Brian Quick. Still looking for 2 autographs. Kendall Wright, Turon Poole, Donta Hightower, Rhett Ellison, and Travis Benjamin. Boom Heron, Justin Blackmon, Turon Poole, Brandon Bolden, and Cam Johnson. Got a DeVere Posey, Trent Richardson, Corey Harkey, Jaron Kreiner, and Duron Thomas. Kendall Wright, Alshon Jeffrey, Case Keenum, Jarius Wright, and Janoris Jenkins, or Jandris Jenkins. Kendall Wright, Boom Heron, Emmanuel Ako, G.J. Kinney, and Damaris Johnson. Ronnie Hillman, Trent Richardson, lots of duplicates. DeVier Posey, these are all duplicates. We've seen Ladarius Green and Dontari Poe. So far, no autographs. Marvin McNutt, Justin Blackmon, Markel Martin, Brian Quick, and Tyler Hansen. We have 1, 2, 3. Oh, I guess the rookies are actually stored in here. We'll keep those on the bottom. They do not put the rookies in the packs. And still no RG3 or Andrew Luck. Brandon Whedon, Kirk Cousins is a different one though. Brock Osweiler, Dontari Poe, and Brandon Bolden. Tannehill, Hillman, Iloka, Alex Tanney, and B.J. Cunningham. Bernard Pierce, Justin Blackmon, Orson Charles, Travis Benjamin, Vontaze Burfict. Here's the last pack. Torrin Poole, Trent Richardson, Travis Lewis, Peter Kuntz, and G.J. Kinney. And here are the hits. These may be even harder to open. Okay. All right, so the hits are George Iloka, the safety, autograph, and Tyler Hansen, autograph. And this is, I don't know if these are numbered. It says 2000. I don't know what that says there. 2010 out of 2050? Don't know what that means. But these cards are not numbered. But a nice autograph of Tyler Hansen at least. And George Iloka autograph. Nothing on that card. It's not, doesn't appear to be numbered now. So that's it. That's what you get out of a hit box. $12 as well.